school, I was taking my prerequisites in college, and I felt like I wasn't getting anywhere. So I wanted to take these classes here and get something done quickly, feel like I accomplished something. One of the challenges that I faced was trying to keep a full-time job, coming to school, and still trying to finish my hours. And at the same time, I had also already got another job in a dental office, so I had to do those 4 things at the same time. The program includes hands-on working, so for a couple hours of the class, the teacher will teach, and then for the other half, you're doing hands-on things. What you learn, that same day you will do hands-on. I loved the teachers, I loved the doctor, I loved the personnel they have here. Everybody's very helpful and always willing to answer any question. Well, I love Radiance Dental Academy because of the hours. They're very, very flexible. You can still have a full-time job, you can have a family, you could have children, and still graduate. Well, my name is Marisabel Gomez, and I started in 2018.